In this video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to Xero step by step. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're inside, go to the accounting menu and click Bank Accounts. Next, click Add Bank Account. In the search bar, type Stripe and see if Stripe Bank Feed or Stripe integration is available in your region. After that, log into your Stripe account in a new tab. Make sure you're using the correct business account that receives payments. Now return to Xero and follow the prompts to connect Stripe. Click Connect or Authorize to allow Xero to access your Stripe data. Next, select the Stripe account you want to link and confirm the connection. After that, Xero will start importing your Stripe transactions automatically, including payments, fees, refunds, and payouts. Now go to the bank reconciliation section in Xero to match Stripe transactions with your invoices and records. Finally, check that new Stripe transactions are syncing correctly inside Xero. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Stripe to Xero step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.